God Rare SCR of Broly. So let's crack in this and see what we can pull. Cracking our first pack. Nagashu, Zero, Vegas, No, Number 18, Hamster of Maga DA, Drum, Dero, Limo, and Dr. Asuna. Pack. Easy Boy Technique. Cell. Rampage Control. World King. Demon Egg. Wolfang Fist. Dr. Floppy, which is Abode, Android 14, Piccolo Leader, Planet Vampa, Yamcha, Go around Gum, Kadoom, Berry Blue, Bruce Steel Friend, Piccolo Junior Youth, Gamima, Android 18, World Tournament Arena, Rapono, Nova, Jenny Mini, and Fusion Android 13 SR. And that's up to the play. Bulma, Android 8, Dino, Barbarian, Announcer, Dino, First Friend, Piccolo Junior Youth, Explosive Wave, Chop 2, Tybull, and Demon King Palace. Dog of Mago, Frieza, Hell's Flash, Bulma, Android 18, Paragus, Hamster of Mongo, or whatever, King Castle, Android 17, Beats, Android 17, and Vegeta DA. I don't know if you know. Dan Nemo, Shoe, Android 15, Sleepy Boy Technique, Ba. This is over by Ioma, Side Boil, Cross Arm Dive, Majin Do, Son Gohan Youth, and Morba DA. Yogosu, Gelmite, Peel Off, Demon's Egg, Fan, Paragus, Wolfang Fist, Android 13, Broly, World Tournament Arena, Piccolo Day, and Tien Shinhan SR. Piercing Sword of Light, Dog of Moga, Android 15, Rampage Control, Android 18, Deborah, Ba, Nova, Tambourine, Chilai, Frieza, and Son Goku Mini. Boma, Pilaf, the Gozu, or I can't pronounce this stupid name, Ranfan, Dr. Flappy, Piano, Helio, Nam, which is abode, Android 20, Krillin. Oh, reprint! Wheeze. Oh, the Wheeze reprint. Oh, and it's red, the main color I play. I like the black background of it. I like how this one looks. Oh, why don't I get like 3 more of this? Gelomite, Android 18, Barbarian, First Friend, Demon's Egg, Wolfang Fist, Piccolo Jr., Chaozu, Broly Leader, Might of Monga, and Chilai SR. Dioma, Chaozu, Paragus, Diagama, blah blah, Android 18, Pino, Dr. Joro, Mashim, Piccolo Jr., and Chi-Chi Childhood SR. Oh, Frieza, Condom, Piercing Sword of Light, Hell's Flash, First Friend, Deborah, This Is Over By, Announcer, Gurin, Broly, Android 1718, and Dudon Wave. Digesu, can't remember these damn names. Android 15, Pino, Sleepy Boy Technique, This Is Over By, Hamster of Manga, Paragus, Cyboil, dang it, Android 13, Cross Arm Dive, Demon King Palace, and Son Goku Childhood. Daima, on Hell's Flash, Boma, World King, King's Castle, Announcer, Dr. Flappy, Demon's Egg, Janemba, Piccolo Jr., Son Gohan Childhood, and Piccolo's Day. Rampage Control, Kodoma, whatever his name is, Android 8, Paragus, Deborah, Ranfan, Android 18, Android 17, Broly Leader, Majin Du, Android 17 and 18, and Piccolo SR. Merry-Go-Round Gum, Frieza, Dioma, Shu, Ba, Digima, whatever his name is, Demon's Egg, World's Tournament Arena, Android 19, Chilai, Might of Mago, and Dodon Wave. Alright, Barbarian, Android 8, Rampage Control, This Is Over By, Wolfgang Fist, Paragus, Android 18, Cyboil, wherever he's pronounced his name, Launch, Android 17, Cyboil, and Broly SR. Kadoom, whatever his name is, Hell's Flash, Shu, Helio, Piccolo Jr. Youth, Ranfan, This Is Goodbye, Miss Shim, Limo, Jiaotsu, Broly, and Fusion Android 13 alt art. Blueberry. World's King. Dog of Mega. Piercing Sword of Light. Ba. King's Castle. Helia. Dr. Gero. Tambourine. And I'm skipping stuff. King Goma. Leader. Son Goku. And Kraken. Merry-Go-Round Gum. Galamite. Pino. Danima. Android 18. Announcer. Paragus. Launch. Drum. Android 20. Scissors. Paper Rock. And Shin. Cell. Pilaf. Bulma. Android 15. Deborah. King Castle. Dr. Floppy. Shrouding Roar. Janemba. Dr. Gero. Sillen Gohan Youth. And Drum. Dang it. Kino. Blueberry. Degarasu. Paragus. Gila. Piccolo Jr. Dr. Flappy. Android 18 leader. Janemba. Launch. Son Gohan Youth. And Son Goku Mini. Cell. Piercing Sword of Light. World King. Ba. Ranfan. Gomoa. King Piccolo, or King Castle. Limo. Mai. Witch's Abode. King Piccolo. And Chucky Chan. SR. Alright, last pack. Tandem, wherever his name is. Merry-Go-Round Gum. Galgamite. Cell. Android 18. Hamster of Mega. Mego. Or something. Paragus. Nam. Android 14. Tambourine. Son Goku Childhood. And Broly. Dang, I mean, if you get a reprint, you only get one alt art. Alright, well, here's the two big hits out that my first booster box. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. DC Marcus Jones out. Peace.